Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can open up Lloyds Bank account being an under 18 person. And this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so just sit back and relax and watch till the very end. So let's get started with it. And the first step is you need to open up your browser, and after that you need to just search for Lloyds Bank account for under 18. And after that you will be provided with this search result. Just see the very first result that you will see on your Google browser, and here you will be provided with various accounts for people who are under 18, and there is a specific account which is for under 19s. So anyone who is between 11 to 17-year old can open up this account, and if someone is from 11 to 15-year old, then they can open up this account, and someone who is 15 or under, then they can open up this one. And this way, this is for 11 to 15-year olds. So there is a choice for everyone else out there. Just choose accordingly. And in order to open up any of this account, you need to fulfill some criterias, and after fulfilling these eligibility criterias, you will be able to open that account quite easily. Now let's explore the very first one, which is for under 19's account. Just open it up, but always make sure that you are on the correct website of the bank account, because there are so many phishing websites out there, and you might end up on the wrong one and might give out your crucial and important information to someone who's not worth that particular information. So make sure that you are on correct website. So this is how it will appear when you open up this under 19's account. And here you will see that you need to keep in mind that it is for 11 to 17-year olds out there, and no overdraft facility will be provided. And if you are in this age bracket of 11 to 12-year old, then you need to apply by going to the nearest branch, and you cannot simply apply online. And the benefits will be that you will be provided a debit card, and you will be able to also earn the interest. And the dates are given over here, like if you have opened up your account before 23 August 2021, which is not the case right now as you are watching this video, so you must be opening up your account after this date. So you will be earning 0.5%, but you won't earn it if your balance is more than 1000. So it needs to be less than this in order to earn this particular interest. And you will be able to manage your money or bank account using mobile application app or internet banking. So you will be getting free alerts on your mobile app for every single activity that is going on with your account. So in order to apply for it, you need to just scroll down, and it will hardly take more than 10 minutes. So just click on this option of apply over here, and after that you will be provided with this QR code. But this QR code will be provided to us even after the end of this process. This is basically to provide the identity proof, and we can do it later on after providing some other information before doing this. So just click on this option of continue over here, and here it will ask you some questions. Just choose yes or no accordingly. And whether it is asking whether we need to provide ID proof for our incomplete application that we just fulfilled before. So this is not the case, this is a fresh application, so we'll just select no over here. Then we need to provide our date of birth, and it must be under 18, so let me get a little lower, 2007 would be better. So after that you need to just scroll down and click on this option of continue, and here you need to provide your all other details like your first name, and after that you need to provide your other details. I'm just filling up the wrong detail, so just you get to see how it all works. And after that, let me provide other details as well. Just choose accordingly, and it is quite easy to use. Just read it, whatever it is asking, just you need to provide that particular information. After that, click on continue. Then it will ask for postcode, and when you click on this option of find address, you will be provided with these details. Then you need to provide the details like your business name, and this is optional. And after filling all the details, you need to select whether you have a spouse or not. Just choose accordingly, because at this tender age of less than 18, you might not have a spouse. And after that, click on this option of continue. After that, you need to provide the phone number and email address. After providing your phone number and email address, just click on continue. And here it will ask you whether you want to switch your account. Just simply select no or yes if you want to, but read the details before doing it so. And after that, click on this option of continue without switching. Wait for a while and let it load. And then it will give you some benefits of opening up this account. Then you need to just simply scroll down to the very end, and here just tick this box and click on complete application. You can also go through this if you want to. It's better to go through it, so at least you know what is it that you are actually doing. And after that, your username is your the phone number that you just provided, and you need to choose your password over here. Just choose it accordingly. The guidelines are provided right below it. And after that, just tick this box and click on continue. Something has gone wrong on this website, so it can be resolved by refreshing this page. Or they have also said that a link has been sent to our email address that we just provided, so we can use that email link to prove our ID. Or we can also take our ID to their nearest branch to prove our identity. So let's refresh and see whether it will resolve or not. Well, it is not resolving right now, so we can just simply click on the link that we has received from this bank. And basically it is for the last step, which is identity proof. And you will be provided with a QR code where you have to just do the KYC for the security reasons, obviously. And after that, you will be able to open up your account. And in the similar way, you can open up other accounts for other age groups as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. We will be happy to help you out. So make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.